Hey everyone! Welcome back to VitalGlow Life, where we bring you the latest and greatest in health and wellness. Today, we've got something special for you: super drinks for weight loss. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and boost your metabolism, you're in the right place. Let's dive into these super drinks that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. 1. Pineapple juice. First up, we have the refreshing pineapple juice. Packed with enzymes that aid digestion and reduce inflammation, pineapple juice can be a tasty addition to your weight loss journey. Simply blend some fresh pineapple chunks with water and ice. This tropical treat not only satisfies your sweet cravings, but also provides essential nutrients. 2. Cucumber and lemon juice. Next on our list is the hydrating cucumber and lemon juice. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, making them perfect for weight loss. When combined with the citrusy kick of lemon, you've got a winning combination. Blend cucumber slices, lemon juice, and a bit of water for a refreshing and slimming beverage. 3. Green tea. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse green tea. Packed with antioxidants and metabolism-boosting properties, green tea has been linked to weight loss benefits. Brew yourself a cup of green tea daily to enjoy its fat-burning potential. 4. Grapefruit honey and cinnamon juice. Moving on, we have the zesty grapefruit honey and cinnamon juice. Grapefruit is known for its ability to reduce insulin levels and promote weight loss. Combine fresh grapefruit juice with a dash of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a delicious and fat-burning concoction. 5. Lemon and ginger tea. Don't forget the classic lemon and ginger tea. Lemon aids in digestion, while ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they make a fantastic weight loss duo. Brew some hot water, add fresh lemon slices and ginger, and enjoy this soothing beverage that supports your weight loss journey. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Last but not least, we have apple cider vinegar, a popular choice for its potential to boost metabolism and reduce appetite. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with water and drink it before meals to harness its weight loss benefits.
There you have it, 6 super drinks to kickstart your weight loss journey. Remember, these drinks work best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Remember, friends, your health journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate every small victory, stay consistent, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. You've got this. Here's to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. Thanks for joining us today on VitalGlow Life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness content. Cheers to a healthier you. Until next time, stay positive and stay well.